Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Check out my hair. Look greasy and tired and all of the above. So guess what came in today? The butcher box. So we're about to do an unboxing. If you like these kind of videos, keep on watching. Alright, let's see what we got in the butcher box. I got ice. This is garbage. Ooh. So one of the ices melt. So we ordered this on the 8th and today is actually the order went through on the 7th. It's been 2 days out, right? And I ordered lots of stuff. So here is a chuck roast. So I gotta say, I love the butcher box due to their, and this stuff is rock hard. I got some free burger patties. Here is the ribeye steak. More ribeye steak. More ribeye steak. I'm gonna put this stuff back. These are stew meats. I got bacon for life for $1. I got the promotional deal. Here is more sirloin beef tips. More ribeye strip loin steak. Wait, are these strip loin steak or ribeye? No, these are ribeye. These are strip loin steak. Here is more beef. Stew meat. So another stew meat. And another strip loin steak. So let me put down the box, grab. So here we go. You have, oh, sorry. That's nice red meat. So here's your stew beef. This one was the grass-fed sirloin tips. So this butcher box, I ended up just getting beef. I ended up changing the order because I ended up buying a bunch of chicken. Strip loin steaks. These are ribeye steaks. I got the free bacon. I got more ground beef. I got the beef boneless chuck roast. That was beautiful. And I got the free 12-pack of grass-fed beef patties. Because, you know, I'm on this diet and beef is the key. So I'm going to show you. This is the grassroot that I'm making today. Grassroot steak, chuck steak. I mean, it's pretty good meat, but it is cheaper than the butcher box, and I think it has to do with the packaging, because as you can see, I mean, these packagings are like perfection compared to the grassroot. So I guess that's why they're cheaper, is more for their packaging. So I'm making these today. And here's the other one. There's two, beef chuck steak. And I'm telling you, look at this packaging. So I want to say that between the two, I like the butcher box better because of their packaging and their boxing. I would probably use the root one, maybe for chicken. The chicken one packaging was a little bit better than their beef packaging. So this was, I did order additional meat, so this was $205 because I ended up getting more steak stuff, more ground beef. So all of this was $205. So not bad for all this beef. Grass-fed beef, I think, is not a bad deal. Plus I got the free beef patties. And I think there's 12 in here. I think. Nope, 6 beef patties. So I think it was a good deal. So today I'm making the grass roots. I've had ground beef from Butcher Box before, so I think between the two, the meats are not bad. The quality of the meat is not bad. It's more of their packaging. So grassroots packaging doesn't bother me, I guess I can say, but I don't know. I want to gravitate towards the pretty one. So if you don't want to gravitate towards the pretty one, you can go with grassroots. They're both great quality meat. I didn't have any issues with either one, and I want to say in total is about $300 to $400 worth of meat, and I'm hoping it'll last for like at least a month and a half. So we'll see. But thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Bye, guys.